Greetings, hello, howdy, and howdy again. Welcome back. Another short little episode, Hands On with BLG. I went and found that place for the court place, interview place again this morning. It was right where I left it. Right there. It's just like going back home again. Anyways, check this out. I got something. Hang on, don't go away now. Stay there. It's gigantic. Brace yourself, folks. I grew this. I got a little ear of sweet corn. The bicolored sweet corn. Off of my little corn stalk out in the front. And it's trying to grow 2 more. I'm going to cook this up today. In that giant pot of water. I did this. It's not going to fit. Look. See, that pot's way too... Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, if you move it back here, it's going to fit just fine. But I'm going to cook this little bad boy up. I'm going to nibble at it and enjoy it because I made it. And I'm making this today too. It's an 9.5 ounce peasant food. Moo cow shaving here in our area in Milton here at the food outlet. It's peasant food. A bag of shrimp is like $2,750 for a little 1 pound bag of shrimp like you get at Walmart up there and stuff. And peasant food there, I got 2 of those big ass steaks for just over $15. I got Mr. Grill out here. He's getting all like warmed up and ready to cook. Bella and her little buddy is out running around. See, there's Bella. Hi, Bella. Good morning. See her through the motorhome window? She just had puppies not too long ago. I guess they're out running around. I don't know. But anyways, that's what I'm going to be doing for today's episode. Because I'm still waiting for the stupid phone to ring to show up in court before the Honorable Judge somebody, whatever her name is. I'm going to write this story up and sell it to them as a book. And that way they can remember what I told them. I've told them, what, 1, 2, 3 times now. This time will be 4 when I go to court. It'll be 5 times when I go back to the recorder place. Yeah, I think I should print that out and sell it to them. They can't read or something, or they just keep throwing my copies of my story or whatever I told them away. You know what I mean? When I'm telling them what happened. Testimony or whatever you call it. But anyways, I'll be right back. We're going to wait for the coals to heat up in this water here. Now I'm going to cook that little piece of corn. I grew this. That's the first time I ever got any kind of fucking corn out of any fucking thing. I have hopes now of planting corn again. When this corn's done, I'll get me some more seeds. Deeper soil and see what I can do. But I'll be right back, folks. And we'll grill this steak up together. Before it rains. We're supposed to get thunderstorms again today. I put up, I think, the episode yesterday. Man, it got dark, and we need the rain. It's been tropical downpours, they're calling them. I like it. I like it. It's cooled off. It only got to 75 in here today. And the thermostat set at 70. Not bad at all. So I'll see you in a few. I forgot. I also made a batch of these. Look at these little yummies. Huh? I made a batch of my strawberry sugar cookies. You can find the episode on my channel here. And I even made some royal icing and iced them up. Oh man, I'm telling you what. I had these things, I had 2 of them with a glass of chocolate milk last night. You need to look those up. They're back a ways. But they are still up. They're on my channel still. Homemade, or is it just strawberry sugar cookies? Homemade strawberry sugar cookies, I think. Followed right up by let's make royal icing. Oh man. It's good stuff. You need to make them. Do them now. Yes. Okay, everybody. The corn has gone swimming. Giant ear of corn. Isn't it cute? I grew that. I said that already, but I'm so proud of it. I growed corn and stuff. And I got the steak. What I've got on here, on one side only, I put pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Kind of light sprinkled on one side only. Patted it down, let her sit. Now, we got the grill. Don't touch the grill. Here we go. I know I kind of got you pinned up against me. It's getting hot and it looks like it might be starting to rain here soon. So we're getting out here and we're going to grill this bastard. Okay. Here, hang on a minute. I'm going to have to stand you up. There we go. Doo-dah, doo-dah. All right. Set you up on chow. Here you go. You sit chow. Like this. Oh, it does hold. Okay, you go there. Bugs out. Something like that. Okay, here we go. Stay. Take a meester steak over to hot coals. I'm going to put him this way. Just like that. Let him sit there until it gets stripes. Keep an eye on that. Be right back. That's still sitting there. Good, good. These here too. The finishing touch. We're here still alive, looking alive. Another bean on a little bean thing. Take a peek. See what we got, y'all. A little more. Then we're going to turn it like this. Alright, turn it that way. Just like that. Two. do 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 do. Oh, hey. Let's check this out. Buck bloomed again. Look how big he's getting. I grew him from a little bitty one. He's getting big. He just sprouted all these right here. He just sprouted all that. Pretty cool, huh? I'm getting ready to plant him. He's going to go, I think, right down there. Right down there. I think that's where I'm going to put him. Come back over and look. I'm not talking a whole lot, but I don't really need to. Just grilling up a steak. We're grilling a steak. Flip him over. Set him like that right on. Yes. Just like this. He sits there like that. I hear one of Bella's puppies. Oh, it's playing with the other big dog. Playing with Bella's brother or friend or whatever. It's the little red puppy. That's cool. Cute little puppy. Do 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 do, and we're grilling. Poor man food. Cow shavings. T-bone. 10 ounce. Yeah, baby. Poor BLG. Hangs his head in shame as he has to eat peasant food. Yes, it's embarrassing buying that stuff. You look around and you sneak in and you sneak out. Sometimes if you like pass the cashier like $10, she won't announce it over the intercom to the whole store that you bought peasant food. Hey, the guy in aisle 3 up here is buying peasant food. Everybody come and laugh and point. Oh, it's embarrassing, man. It's shameful. I just about made an appointment to have myself removed from BLG's left hand. I'm sorry, BLG, but I thought about it a few times. Shut up, Lefty. Get back to work. Oops, I was leaving that door open in case I guess I could hear the phone if it rings. I don't think it'll ring on Saturday. I don't think the court people are that impolite. I'm figuring it'll ring Tuesday or something. They got me scheduled to go into the court either this next week of the 10th or the week of the 20th. Well, on the 20th is where I'm supposed to be at the other place. Hi. Won't that be fun if they do that? I'll be like, okay, so which one do you want me at? I have to cancel one or the druther, you know what I mean? Can't be in two places at the same time. Don't work that way. Not for me, anyways. Not yet. I'm working on it. Not yet. Downpours have washed the motorhome a little bit. I really need to give it a scrubbing, though. See? It's looking better. I got my legs out. See, it's looking a little bit more clean. I don't know. I still need to scrub it down. I know. I'm still got to finish the inside, too. Yes, indeed. Alright, flip this over like this. Put him like that. Then we'll do something fun. Set these down. We'll take this off of here. Yes, yes, BLG, do this. I'm going to smack some butter up on these. Just like that. A little bit over here on this side. Just like this. Smack some butter on here. A little bit here. We'll let that melt down. That'll be cool. That'll be really cool. Smear it around on there. In fact, you can watch that melt. I'll be right back. I'm waiting for the butter to melt. You know what? You can want to melt it faster. Watch this. Shut the lid for a minute. Stupid flies. Get out of there. There's a green bean. There's a bean. Throw that in with corn. Weird looking little son of a gun, ain't it? Melt the butter, melt the butter. You'll see what happens. You'll see what I'm upside down. You'll see what happens. Or no, you're upside down. What are you doing upside down? Turn over so you can see me. Quit sitting on the ceiling. Melt the butter, melt the butter. Here we go. Now you smear the butter around. See, watch this. Smear this all around up on here like this here. Just like that. Hell. Smear the butter, smear the butter. Some up here. Smear the butter up here. Now you flip them over again. Whoa, like that. Sear this side up real good with the butter on it. See how that flames up? Yes, that's what I want. Well, you're stupid flies. They do this when it's going to rain. They school up on you. Trying to get in the friggin' house. Well, they do get in the house. I think I killed 40 of them the other day. That's an exaggeration. I think it was more like 18. Let that sit here and just do this for just a minute. I don't check the internal temperatures or nothing. Yeah, see, look at that. Braced up all nice. Now it goes on a plate. Just like this. And I can shut that. I'm done with it. I can shut that. I'm done with that. Nope. I can shut the legs on here because I'm done with that. I can open the door because I'm done with that. That didn't make any sense. Let's go in here. Let's go in back where it's cool. It's not hot out, but it's so humid. It's like really sweaty, like, you know what I mean? Just shut that. I'll get the screen door in a minute. So then what we're going to do is this steak here is all finished. I'm going to take him. You're going to lay there. That green bean is still under here, isn't it? Okay. Where's that little bean? I'm going to take him out. Put him over here. The steak we're just going to take, sunny side down. Just going to lightly foil it, like lightly tent. You want some air to get to it. And that's just going to sit and rest for, well, all day for me. But not on the counter, of course. I'm going to put it away. I'm going to turn you around this way, right quick. That looks good. And the corn is done. I've got the gas off, right? Yep. Knife is hot. My little thing of corn is done. Tap him off here. I'm going to rub him around on the butter. See? Yeah, I'm going to turn him. Rub him on the butter like this. Turn him again. Rub him on some more butter. Turn him again. One more time on the butter. Hey, he's going to come over here. He's going on my plate with steak. There we go. Peasant food. Steak and corn on the cob. And, yeah, there you have it. Quick little episode for you. Figured I'd pump one out today. Felt like doing it, so, well, I did. And you're welcome. I'm folding legs up now again. So anyways, I just thought I'd let you cook along with me today. Have a little bit of fun on the grill and back in the kitchen and show you my corn. Yes, and a bean and how big Bucket's gotten. Yes. So, anyways, for Hands On with BLG, I suppose. I am BLG. I'm Lefty, and I'm Righty. We'll see you guys in the next exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. Bye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.